Hi there, so this is a hands-on review of my first time using Vertuo Pop by Nespresso. So this coffee maker is pretty easy to use. 1 cup feature in case you don't feel like making a whole pot of coffee. Comes with really simple to follow instructions. Anytime you see this code, just use your smartphone, take a picture of it, or go to take a picture of it, and once you start zooming in on it, it'll automatically bring up the website, and then just click on that, and that'll give you a hands-on tutorial of how to use it. So I've already gone through with cleaning the machine. I have all these parts. These two were in a little compartment on the side. This one I don't have. I don't think it comes with that, but everything else, yes. This you can connect to your smartphone. Alright, so let's start with first rinsing. I already went through this process. They just mean fill the container, dump the container in case there's any materials in there. Fill it again, put it on, plug it in, lock it. Make sure you've got something that can hold a decent amount of water underneath it. I started with a mug, then I went and got a bowl, just so you know. Alright, so that's it. You put it in. You push this to lock. That's this, and I gotta tell you, it's not that easy. It's kind of, I feel like I was, first time doing it, I actually thought, oh my gosh, am I gonna break this? It's a little on the tough side. So there we go. Unlock, close it up. You can see it's not really closed until you click lock. Now it's sealed. Alright, so once we finish that, we are now ready for our first cup of coffee. Most exciting. I just filled this with nice fresh water. And when you get this, this comes with a sample set, so you have an idea of which coffees you'd like to try. First row is espresso, we have double espresso, and then we have regular coffee. I am starting today with regular coffee, and I have selected Colombia.